Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you the strategy and some useful tips for CA Foundation December 2023 attempt. Key highlights of this video. First, how to prepare for CA Foundation in last 60 days. Second, do's and don'ts while preparing for your exam. Third, success mantra for scoring good marks. So without doing any time waste, let's start the video. I hope all of you will watch this video till the end. First, let's talk about how much is your syllabus completed. In this there are 3 categories of students. Category 1, 100% syllabus is completed, only revisions are left. Category 2, only 30 to 70% syllabus is completed. Category 3, 0 to 10% syllabus is completed or not even started anything. So first of all, check your category in which you belongs to and plan your study according to that discussed in this video later on. First of all, let's talk about Category 1 students whose syllabus is 100% completed. If you are falling in this category, then you have to complete your revisions at least 2 times by November end, and solve all ICAI module questions 1 time in this period. And in December month, you all have to solve only past year papers, RTPS and MTPs in 3 hours sitting. Solve all the papers that is available on ICAI website. And your target to score in CA Foundation should be more than 300 to 320 marks. And give tests as much as possible. Follow ICAI material only, don't go for other books. Now let's talk about Category 2 students, whose syllabus is on an average half completed. If you are falling in this category, then your syllabus must be 100% completed before November 20th. If you guys study with full dedication and consistency, then you can easily cover your syllabus by mid-November. And while completing syllabus side by side, practice all the ICAI module questions once. And after completion of the syllabus, do revision of whole syllabus at least 1 time, and while doing revisions focus more on high weightage chapters. And in December month, you have to solve only previous year question papers, RTPS and MTPs in 3 hours sitting and give tests as much as possible. If you follow this strategy, then you can easily score more than 280 marks and increase your study hours. Now let's switch to our last category 3 students whose syllabus is completed around 0 to 10%. The first thing I want to say to you guys is you can still clear CA Foundation with very good marks. If you follow these 5 things: hard work, consistency, focused goal, always motivated, positive thinking. As you guys have around 60 days left, so try to cover your syllabus of December 5th. After 5th of December, don't touch any new thing, revise all the syllabus that you have already completed and practice as much as possible because written practice is must. Study day and night with study hours more than 10 to 12 hours and focus more on high weightage chapters. And most important thing is don't panic, study with a good flow. Here I am mentioning some important and high weightage chapters that you have to do compulsorily as they are very important. For accounts. First, final accounts. Second, company accounts. Third, NPO. Fourth, bank reconciliation statement. Fifth, consignment. Sixth, bills of exchange. Seventh, average due date. Eighth, accounting principles. Ninth, depreciation. 10th, sale of goods on approval basis. 11th, revenue and capital expenditure. 12th, contingent assets and liabilities. For law and BCR. First, Companies Act. Second, Indian Contract Act. Third, Sales of Goods Act. Fourth, full BCR. For maths, statistics and LR. First, time value of money. Second, quadratic equations. Third, ratio, proportions, indices and logarithms. Fourth, sequences and series. Fifth, whole logical reasoning. Sixth, measures of central tendency and dispersion. Seventh, index numbers. Eighth, correlation and regression. Ninth, statistical description of data. For economics and back. First, nature and scope of business economics. Second, theory of demand and supply. Third, price discrimination in different markets. Fourth, theory of production and cost. Fifth, business cycles. Sixth, whole BCK. If you do these all chapters properly, then you can easily pass your CA Foundation exams and even score very good marks. Now I will tell you subject-wise strategy for scoring very good marks in your CA Foundation exams. For accounts. First, solve all ICAI module questions at least 2 to 3 times as they are the most important ones and focus more on high weightage chapters. Second, solve all previous year question papers, RTPS and MTPs in 3 hours of sitting. Third, give tests as much as possible. Fourth, in accounts, written practice is most important, so solve all questions with your hand rather than just seeing the solution. For law and BCR. Most asked question to me is how to prepare for law. So here I will tell you in detail how to prepare for law and also some answer presentation tips. First, most important thing while studying law is chapter reading in full depth. So read all chapters very carefully and make concise notes also for last-minute revision. Second, use sticky notes also for important keywords and for important lines. Third, in law answer writing practice is must, so do answer writing practice as much as possible. Fourth, most asked question. Does we have to write all the things line by line present in our ICAI module in examination? Answer. You have to learn the things written in bold font in ICAI material and rest you can use your own language but write answers in technical language rather than general language. Fifth, write section numbers when you are 200% sure. When you are not sure, then avoid writing section numbers. If you write wrong section number you will get 0 marks even your answer is 100% correct. 6th, if you remember any case laws while solving case study questions then write case laws and explain it properly as it will increase your score. Note, writing case laws is not compulsory. 7th, practice all ICAI module case studies and questions as they are very important. Solve all previous year questions, RTPS and MTPS questions during last days of your preparations. 8th, in BCR, revise all formats and rules of writing skills very properly. 9th, the most important chapter in BCR is communication as it carries on an average 10 marks so prepare very properly. 10th, if you do these things properly then you can easily score 30 plus marks in BCR and even score exemption in this paper. Answer presentation tips for law. First, solve case studies questions in proper format like A. Provision. B. Facts of the question. C. Analysis and conclusion. Second, underline to highlight the keywords in your answer as it will help you to gain more marks. Third, give examples in your answers as much as possible. Fourth, give to the point answer, don't write unnecessary things in your answer. Fifth, write answers in pointers rather than in paragraphs. For math, statistics and LR. First, in maths if your concepts are clear then you can easily solve questions. So better focus more on conceptual clarity. Second, solve all ICAI module questions, MTPs that is available on ICAI website and solve MTPs that is to be released by ICAI in November month. Third, give tests as much as possible to increase your speed. Fourth, in logical reasoning practice questions as much as possible as they will give you free marks. Fifth, in statistics, focus more on conceptual clarity and practice all ICAI module questions and focus on both theory and practical portion. For economics and BCK. First, while studying economics, make concise notes that would help you in last-minute revision. Second, practice numerical questions as much as possible because they are very easy and less time-consuming. Third, practice all the MCQs available in your ICAI material and give tests as much as possible. Fourth, in economics and back, line-by-line chapter reading is most important because MCQ can be made from any line, so do chapter reading very carefully and focusedly. Fifth, in back, all chapters carries equal weightage and carries free marks so try to prepare all the chapters of back and practice all the MCQs available in ICAI material. Now I will be telling you some success mantras that would be very beneficial for you all. If you follow these success mantras during your whole CA journey then no one can stop you from becoming chartered accountant in first attempt. First, give importance to each day. As many students don't study on Sundays and take a study break for one full day. Don't do that, IT would break your study flow. So study consistently without taking a full day break. If you follow this in your whole CA journey then it would be very productive for you. Second, focus on your health also. A. Meditate at least 10 minutes when you wake up in the morning. B. If you want to sit long hours for study then, you have to take proper diet. So do your breakfast, lunch and dinner on time. C. Take proper tea or coffee breaks, fruit breaks between your studies to remain productive whole day. Third, study consistently. A. Study daily with a proper timetable and follow consistently without any laziness. B. At night sleep at time whenever you want to but wake up before 9 a.m. C. Doesn't matter if you are CA Foundation, Inter or Final student, study daily on an average around 8 to 12 hours. Fourth, never discuss how is your exam gone. The very common mistake students does is they discuss how is their exam gone and by chance if they do anything wrong in the exam, the wrong thing circulating in their mind all the time and this will impact on their remaining exams left. So never discuss with anyone how is your exam gone and don't check answers after coming home, focus on next exam only. Now let's conclude this video, I hope all of you will love this video. And in the last I want to say all the best for your exams. Fodker ANA exams. And also share your results with me. If you find this video informative and in any chance you got any help from this video do tell me your views in the comment section. And please share with your friends and in groups so that it would help all students. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. May God all bless you.